Let's solve this problem. So the order is lidocaine 3 milligram per minute via infusion pump, right? And the supply is lidocaine 2 gram per 500 ml D5W. So they are asking how many ml per hour. Okay. So as I know my formula, mostly I use this formula, right? Desired divided by available. So that I'm gonna keep this formula as it is. So I'm gonna use desired divided by available, and I'm gonna add a little bit more information in it because they have given a little bit more numbers. So desire divided by available, as you already know that we are using this formula from long time, right? Desire divided by available times ml, correct? But I need to add a little bit more in it. So desire multiply by, they are asking how many ml per hour, right? Ml per hour. And then I'm gonna use another thing, divide by 1000. The reason is that I will show you. So now I'm gonna plug all the numbers. So what is the desired dose? So the doctor order 3 milligram, right? And then multiply by, they're asking the question how many ml per hour, right? So that's mean ml per hour means 60 minute is part of ml per hour. 60 is part of ml per hour because they're asking how many ml per hour. And then divide by what is the available dose in the hand. Available is 2 gram, right? So as I know that whenever I am going from milligram to gram, smaller to bigger, what we have to do always? We always have to divide by 1000, correct? Correct. And then multiply by ml. What is the ml given? 500 ml, right? So that's the setup of my number. Desired, mostly I use desired divided by available times ml. I just added divide by 1000 ml per hour. So now let's solve it. So the doctor ordered 3 milligram multiply by ml per hour, which means 60 minute, and then divided by 2 gram available divided by another 1000, and then times 500 ml, which will give me answer 45 ml per hour. 45 ml per hour. That is the answer you are going to select. I just want to mention there are many ways, there are other formulas to solve this kind of problem, but I feel like this is easy for me because I don't have to, cross out this to that, this to that. I don't use like the other formulas where you have to make it like a train. You like cross here, cross here, cross here, cross here, cross here, cross here. So the thing is, if you like to use any formula that work for you, use that, because this is easy for me to solve is this way. Some student, they prefer to use other formula, maybe it's easy for them, but I prefer to solve this way. I don't have to like cut this, cut this, cut this, cut this, cut this. I don't use that. This is pretty straightforward for me, and that's the way I learn it.